Yo, good morning guys. Hayden here with another video. I thought I would make a quick video while my coffee's brewing before the day gets started. It's about 6:30 right now. Another great day in Austin, Texas, and I am very excited to announce that I finally got a CPA. There were a lot of you that were asking me if I could find out additional information from them for your own business. I can tell you right now, I wish I'd got one a lot sooner. I cannot believe how helpful it was to sit down and talk with them. And it just gave me a lot clearer picture of the direction I need to take the business, write-offs I can do, just exemptions. There's all kinds of things that we're really excited to hear. And I'm just really excited for 2020 because it's going to be my full first year in 2020. And I can't believe how far we've already come just in the first 10 months. So the main couple of things I wanted to share is one, anyone who is scanning for you or listing can be designated as a contractor. That means they can be a 1099 employee, which is awesome. That's incredible. So the majority of the work that's being done here is by people listing and scanning. That means you don't need a W-2. You don't have to pay additional employment taxes. You don't have to worry about healthcare, dental, all that stuff. So that for me was huge because I obviously employ people now, so I was getting a little worried about that aspect. But it turns out that everything I've been doing now is perfectly fine and legal. Always consult your accountant before determining those moves. But I am, however, hiring a warehouse manager in the next 90 days. They will have to be a W-2 employee. Now, let me explain what the difference is with 1099 and W-2. So the main word is control. So if you tell an employee when they have to be to work, when they take their breaks, or basically how to do their job on a continual basis, you have control over them. You're controlling them. So that is a W-2 employee. My listers and scanners, they come in whenever they want. Obviously, at some point they're told how to do what they do, but they operate completely by themselves. They come in, they scan when they can, list when they can, they take breaks whenever they want. They just get things done as they need to be done. So I think that's really good news for a lot of people that are resellers in this community, no matter how far you want to take this business, because a lot of people I feel like they're not doing this full time, and scanning and listing is something that is not fun to do when you're doing thousands of books all the time. So I think that, this is just really good news. It's going to make everything simple for everyone. All you do is issue them a 1099 or a W-9 at the end of the year. I did both of mine it took me literally like 2 minutes. So, and it costs like $4.95 to file online. Big thing. If you have employed someone this year and you were kind of like, we paid cash, it's cool, it's on the table or whatever, or maybe you didn't, maybe you paid them by check or whatever, you have till the end of this month to file your 1099. So there's still time. Go online, download it, do an e-file, and get that submitted. It's going to help you pay less taxes this year. All right, guys. I will give you guys a update of the business in the next video. We did more than I thought we were going to do, and I'm extremely excited. My eBay business, I'm actually really surprised at how well the eBay side's doing, and I'm blocked from sending in additional inventory because they have restrictions as you go up. When you're new, they don't want you to get overwhelmed or whatever the hell, which wasn't a problem for us. But anyways, I'm very stoked to see the sell-through rate on eBay, and I think it's going to be a great addition. So we're going to keep pushing on that. whenever we get unlocked to the next inventory level tier, we're going to go full speed and fill it up quick. So, like the video if you liked it, guys. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And if you have any other questions about the CPA thing, put them in the comments below. We talked about a ton and I took a lot of notes, so I'm sure I can answer whatever you want. However, make sure, you know, regardless of what I said, again, you need to check with your own CPA in your own state. There's different state laws. So you just need to cover your bases. And obviously I don't want to be liable for any of that stuff. So anyways, guys, have a great day. I will talk to you soon. Take care.